I'll take that. And that. I don't know why you're under there. And I'll take you too. So guys, welcome back to another video. My name's John. Subscribe if you're new, like the video, and yeah. I want to see how smooth this is because it might look cool. So, attempt 2 at skating this ledge thing. This place looks cool right here, right now, but I'm going to make it a little bit more festive before we skate that. That's something we wanted to get, so we're going to get it. There it is. Okay. Need 2 hands for this, I don't know. Boom! It's a tree. So anyways, guys, I just thought of a video idea, and we're just gonna use the tractor. Action! So guys, actually did hurt my finger, but that's not the point. It hurts pretty bad, but I need 5 likes for this. Maybe let's go for 7 actually. Let's do it.
What does this kid think he's doing? Oh my lord. He's gonna hurt himself. Guarantee it. Look at him. It's hilarious.
John still?
Yeah. Okay. Well, this is entertaining. Oh no, Cletus! Cletus, you okay? Cletus, are you alright? Cletus! Cletus, thank God the tractor's okay. We don't have to pay for insurance on it. Let me just get that out of there. I'm sure Cletus is fine.
This is what you call some country boy flips. So, you want to learn a back full? Well, you're in luck. This is Country Boy Connor and Country Boy Cletus' tutorials channel. I represent the backflip right here. Just your bunny tubes. Now you just got to do your back full. It's that simple.
All right, do his back full. All right, guys. So just gonna do some country boy announcements here. Oh no! Something's wrong. Cletus, is you okay? Is you okay? Oh no! The trampoline has a hole in it now. No. Oh Lord.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.